Dolomite Beach is a best practice that should be replicated in all coastal municipalities nationwide. White Beach, Manila Bay is my neighborhood, and I can attest that it's good. Coastal cleaning and beach development like Dolomite Manila Bay is a great idea to replicate to create jobs and appreciation nationwide. I'll call it Beach Nearby Program. Mas easy kasi linisin pag sandy beach kumpara sa rocky. Ang mga West Coast, facing South China Sea or WPS, beaches ng Pilipinas, malinis talaga yan pag amihan season. Ang East Coast naman, facing Pacific Ocean, ay malinis pag habagat season. Natural na malinis pag papalayo sa beach ang current. Beach development cost, 50 million pesos per 100 meters. Beach development contract is fair if the materials can be sourced from a nearby hardware. Higher cost if the white dolomite material is sourced from afar, sold by landowner, indigenous peoples, and local government, processed in a rock crushing factory and transported by ship. Another cheaper alternative is to just use the existing rocks on the beach, process it into fine sand or pebble size in rock crushing factory, put it back in the beach and be satisfied with its unique color. Hindi naman kailangan fine white dolomite sand ang artificial beach. Pwede yan kahit anong kulay. Pwede rin pebble size imbis na fine sand.